we could do it in two ways: either flex direction, row reverse, or justify content flex end, like that. And the input, let's make it look like this. Padding 1.5 rem, too much, probably way too much. 0.5 rem. Border radius 50 pixels. Background color transparent. Border 2 pixels solid. This color. What do you say? Not that visible though. Thank you, Mihai. Thank you for the hearts. Header input. Placeholder color. No, I don't like it. It should be way brighter, so like this. All right, I want the font family to be inherit. Okay, and more padding. So 0.51 rem, left and right. Okay, I guess. Decent. Font size 1 rem. Alright, now it's a bit better. So we can type here. Let's give it a class. I don't like to target that many times. Class search. Okay. So this search. And this search and search focus. I want outline none, and maybe background color. All right, look at that, good. And the color should be white. Okay. CSS is interesting. Don't you find CSS boring? No, it's nice. All right, and when we enter here, so we need another form. I mean another, not for this project, but like that, because when we type and we click enter, we want to submit it. So ID form, and we go here. And we move this down, do this and form. And where it is, form. Let's do it here, but I want to move this up because we want to get movies initially get favorite movies, right? By popularity, yeah. Good. So form at add event listener, submit E, and we don't want to submit a form, so we prevent it. But rather we want to get the input value, so the search search term will be search.value. Shouldn't you hide your API key? Yes, I should. It's just this is just a small project, and I got this key, so don't tell anyone. I got this key from Mihai, and he doesn't mind. It's just a dummy project, so. But yeah, you should hide your API keys, like, I don't know, under your pillow or something. Don't show them to anyone. Good. Now I need to find out. Search. Oh, look at that. Thank you, Mihai. Mihai is providing me with all the API links, API URLs and stuff. So search API. Thank you, buddy. I have the key. I just need to add the query to it. Awesome. And let's see what happens. So if we get this, add the query, we put Pokemon, we get one page, page 1, total results 56. Ooh, you could also have like pagination. Maybe another day, another life. Okay, so search API. Basically now, we need to do the same thing, but with the movies from the search. So let's create a function, add movies to, I don't know, show movies or something. Movies, and we get movies here, and then we do this. So we go over the movies and we add the movies to the main, but initially clear main that inner HTML will be empty. All right, so we clear and then we add all the movies. So here we can go show movies auto response data that results, and we don't need to return anything. Okay, this should work the same. Perfect. And now that we have the search term, if search term, we want to do a couple of things. First, search that value to be empty. Thank you, major lift. Although it might change a bit, the list. I'm still writing it. All right, so search value, it's empty. Next up, we want to get the movie. So you know what? Let's use the same function. So we give this the URL, and first time we give it the API URL with the favorites, and the second time here we give it with the search term. So search API plus the search term. Okay, let's see. Do we get Pokemon? No. Why not? Canary property value of null. Script 61. Search is null. Let's see. Search. Oh, get element by ID. We don't have a search tag. We have a form and a search tag. And I guess this form ID form, yeah. And let's do main ID main. Yeah, keep it the same all across the board. All right, good. So let's see. Pokemon. Pretty nice. Although some images don't work. Not our fault, I guess. Right? I'm thinking, Poster URL is missing. Yeah, let's check it out to see. Oh, I'm not consoling. Let's see, Flash. Yay, this is working. Awesome. We could see if we have a poster image, and if not, you know what? Let's console.log response data. Let's see what's happening there. Here we can do Pokemon. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sixth one, let's see. Object. 1, 2. Yeah, poster pet null. Doesn't it have something else? Nope. I mean, I can remove the card if it doesn't have a poster card. Or what else? Just leave it blank. If you want to do pagination, do you can you give a query to page something? Oh yeah, you can. Page 2, page 1. We could page number at the end, yeah. I'm thinking we could have, well, let's not rush. Let's see what all other data we have. Original title, overview, poster, release date, title, genre, backdrop path. What's this? Let's use that. Back. Oh, I think the back of the image. Backdrop path. Let's use this here. Ooh, look at that. Other image. Nice. Okay. We don't get the cast though, or do we? Maybe you can get the movie by the ID and get more information about the movie. Probably. Movie, yeah. So you get, let's see, original title, production companies, production country, spoken language, genre. I guess you still don't get the actors. That's what I wanted, but you get more information, but not all of the information. Oh, you get a budget, which you don't get here, right? Yeah. Oh, that's interesting. Okie dokie. Yeah, let's what should we do when we click? I'm thinking. We already did it for the receipt app. Oh, wait, I have an idea. What if we add the details about the movie on a hover? That shouldn't be hard. and like the overview. Let's try that. So the movie info, let's make this a div with a class of overview. And we can add the overview, which we need to get from here. All right, perfect. And this overview, I want this to be position absolute, top 0, left 0, bottom 0, right 0. Perfect. On the movie, we want this to be position relative. All right. I want it to be background color white. Padding. Oh, padding, 2 rems. Like that. And you know what? We can do something fancy. By default, this could be transform, translate y 100%. So bye-bye. And whenever we hover over the movie, hover, then the overview will be transform, translate y0. So it appears, and we can have a nice transition. Transform 0.3 seconds, ease in. Yeah, look at that. And we don't even need, let's make it button like that. All right. I mean, it's not the best, but, and we can say something like h4 overview h4. Okay. And that h4 needs to be overview h4 margin top 0. I mean, we we ended up not having to do a lot of clicking and testing and all that. We just add this stuff. Look at it. It should be good. You just see what the movie is about. All right. Let's do you see it has just a little line there, so maybe 101%. All right, good. And this could work, well, it will work with all the movies. If you do Avengers, I never know to know Avengers like that. Ah, look, I knew. I mean, there will be one issue if the overview is like a lot, but yeah, like here. I guess we can do overflow scroll. Wait. We need to say max height 100%, overflow auto. Let's see. Yeah. Okay. So we fixed that too. And yeah, we can add more things if we want, but we don't. You want to move to the next project. Right. Good. It is hard to customize the scroll bar. Yeah. I mean, if you don't know how to do it, like I don't know, then yeah. Otherwise, I think it's not that hard, but you know, This header looks just a bit off, but done. Project number 6, and we have, is it project number 6? 1, 4, 5, 6. Oh, wait. 1, 4. In this rate, I'll get to 10 fast. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, project 6. And we have 4 hours and 30 minutes left. Hello. Thank you. Thank you, Blanky. Is this on GitHub? Not yet. Not yet. But I'll upload it on YouTube and add the code and all that. All right. Let's move on. Can we take a break? I always say that and I end up taking like 20 seconds break. Oh, let's update Twitter. #brag. I mean, here's a lesson. What's this madness? Yeah, madness. 6 apps down, 4 remaining, 4 hours and 20 seconds, 20 minutes left. Uh, 149, we're going in terms of squares of numbers. You're a developer, breaks are not allowed. Thank you. Nice, very nice of you to say that. This has 800 milliliters. And I think I had like 2 so far. So who needs food when you have water? This is a really cool challenge. Thank you. Glad you like it. All right, let's move on to the next. Let's pray my how do you call it? My desktop won't break. Okay. Have so many notifications. Oops. What's next? 1 second. I'll show you. This is the README. Next up is GitHub profile zap. Give the man some rest. Thank you, buddy. Let's see. Now this is a bit tricky, probably, or not. I mean, it has the same thing, like we want to work with the API and we want to get the profile stuff. GitHub API projects. Let's see, can we find something interesting? Projects. Oh, no. I don't want to use the API to make projects. I want to, let's see, CodePen. GitHub. My back hurts a bit though. Okay. Can you hear me? Hopefully you can. Let me move like here. I think there's a package for working with the GitHub API. GitHub API. Web app. Let's see. Simple GitHub API web app. Pull user data. Oh, look at it. It's something like this. I have a standing desk. I just my cables from my desktop are not long enough so I can raise it. So I have to sit. I was too lazy to fix the cables. So yeah. And I just woke up with this idea to make 10 projects in 10 hours. So it wasn't very planned, you know. Yeah, so something like this, very simple. This should be a simple project and we do it fast. We just need this, really? Wow, really? Sorry. My carpet is all messed up now. Okay. Yeah, so we can get this. If it works, why not? Exactly. I also need the repos. So we can get this, which is so simple. Let's make it look pretty. Something like this. We get an image and make it circle and purple and woo, all that. Sorry. I make fun noises when I'm tired. GitHub profiles. Another project, number 7. All right. We need again a search thing. And yeah, let's get inspired by this. Thank you, Jake Stutz, for this. I mean, I'll use like some idea. Or not. Okay, let's make it pretty. I want this, I need this, I need this. I want a nice gradient. My back hurts, really hurts. That's not very nice now. Adele's first love. That looks like this color. This. All right, nice. Okay. This will be const GitHub API URL. Will be this, and we just need to add to the end, and we fetch and get the data. Well, let's see. Function get user await. Sync. Is that Firefox theme? No. Firefox, no, it's a Brave theme. Get users, and we want here const response, await, fetch, API URL, plus user, because we're going to say user here. And const response data, I want await, response that, why does it do that always? JSON. Oh, and you can get repos with that. Oh, come on, too easy. Users, user API, and then the repos. Oh, I need to add. Wait, API URL, I get the user and then I get the repos. So easy. So easy. Think about it. Right? Full name. Oh, okay. Yeah. Name. Noise and ID. Link. Thank you, buddy. So for those of you who are watching live, and live and the recording, I had some help for Mihai. He gave me the links to the URL, to the APIs. So that just so you know, I didn't do it all by myself. I had little help. What's this? Oh, wait. Okay, and we want to get the user, and we want to create a user card. So create user card, and we just put in the, let's see, console. Oh, I guess, yeah, we just do this response data, create user card function, user, and now we do our mumbo jumbo, which is, so we're only going to have, let's have again the main. I'm going to have a form with an input. Sounds very familiar, but hopefully not, people don't notice. Placeholder, search, GitHub, user. Wow, looks so bad now. Display flex, line to center, just click on the center, and min height, 100 viewport height. And I also want flex direction column. Alright. I can get the input directly. And let's see. So we can get the name, the position, no, the bio. So here the name, the bio, and these icons, which will be followers, following, public repos. Okay, and hireable, true. Oh, false. I'm not for sale. I want avatar. Is this? Look at that handsome guy. Okay, so const card document that get create element, a div card that class list dot add. We want to add a card class, so we style it card dot inner HTML, and here we do our inner stuff. So on the left side, we're going to have an image. So we're going to have two divs. Yeah, div. This will have image, source, alt. Okay, and this will be user dot avatar something, avatar URL. Okay, and this will be user dot name. Good. On the right, we want to have an h2 where we're going to have the user dot name. Underneath that, we're going to have a paragraph where we're going to have the user.bio. And underneath that, let's have a UL with 3 LIs. Okay, first one will be followers, following, and public. Or what else? What numbers should we have? Yeah, I guess followers, following, and public repos. So followers, following, and public. I have 3,500 followers. Whoa, crazy. repos. All right, and at the end we want to get the main document get element by ID main. We need to add the ID main to it, and to the form. This looks a lot like what we did, but just different data, so you can see how coding is fun. This will be form, this will be search. Okay, and now at the end we want main dot append, or no, not append, we want inner. Ooh, I just figured out some mistake I was doing. Instead of appending, well, then we had a list. Well, now we just changed the inner HTML to be the card. Now we can do that. We can't. We need to append child because we created it. Or we can. Card HTML, and we can do this. Class to be card, and we close this. And then we don't need to do neither this and this and this, and we can just say main inner HTML to be card HTML. Hey Josh. Florine. Hey Josh. Alright. So now we need to do the form submit. Form add event listener, submit. Again, we get the E. We want to do e.prevent default. And we want to say search term, or well, user name, user. Hello. Hello, Alejo Taliento. Okay, user is search.value. Value. All right. If user, if we have it, then we want to get a user like that. And we want to, the search value is null, or well, undefined. Yeah. Good. So now if we do here Florine, pretty cool. Or Florine pop 17. Pretty cool. Something didn't work. What did I mess up? Get user. Get user by user. Lol. I forgot to pass in the thing we are looking for. Haha, look at that. It's all done. We just need to make it pretty. What were the past project this stream? We did a countdown timer, a movie app, a notes app, a quiz app, a receipts app, and a to-do app. Hello, Andre. All right, let's make it pretty. And we're pretty-fied it. I want another gradient, this purplish gradient now. Or you know what? I can use... Yeah, I can make it myself. Class like image, avatar, h2 paragraph, okay, ul, class like info. Oh, and we also need the how do you call them, the repos. So probably here like a list of repos or something. So yeah, well, just hold on, don't run. How should the search look like? Here with this kind of a purple. You know what? Let's initially have a user with my just so we can have something on the page always, and this way we can style it and see what's happening. Okay, so the card, I want it to be, let's see, they have panning, flags, purple, box shadow, all that, a lot of stuff. So let's use this, and instead of this blue, I'm going to find, I don't like these colors. Let me use this. Instead of this, I want this. How does it look now? Ooh, fancy. Okay, so let's revert, have this color be in. I still need to find 2 purple colors. So let's go to purple, like this kind of purple, make it a bit dark, and that's our first color. And for this color, go to purple, like that. Not bad. Let's see, for your customers, when you do have a simple website, do you start from template or do you do everything by your own? I usually like to do the entire CSS myself, but sometimes you don't have time and you need to, so it's kind of tricky. Okay, let's do the avatar. Width 100 pixels, height 100 pixels, too small. Border radius 50%, border 10 pixels solid, that color outside, so this one. Okay. Now the card, I want to display flex. Okay, I want it to have a lot of padding. All right, I want it to have a generous border radius, even more. Okay, and I want it to have box shadow. Again, something generous. Let's see. Very soft. You know what? Box shadow UI. Material U, also box shadow. Something like this. Let's get. Yeah. Shadow 1. 0, 10 pixels color. Oh, so it has double. Alright, let's get this. Thank you, whoever did this. Let's see. Saiho George, thank you for the box shadow. It's not pretty. Something's wrong. The color seems off. I don't know. We still need to fix some stuff, probably, that's why. So compared to this is a bit off. Well, first, let's have this class to be user info, and we can use that user info. The shadow is weird, yeah. User info, I want it to have margin left, 2 rem, and I want it to be color white, like that. Okay, that's one. I also want this card to be max weight 600 pixels. No, 800. All right. The user info, H2 margin top 0, like that. I also, maybe this class could be image container, and image container could be display flex and center, just click on center. Sorry, I was fast. And then user info UL, display flex space just a content space between. Padding 0. Width 300 pixels. Alright, better. List style type none. Okay, and the color white is not that good. Let's use CCC. DDD. Okay, a bit better. Now the box shadow. Let's change the. Where is it? Yeah, let's make it dark. Okay. I'll make this 100%. Or well, I guess. Will you be publishing this full video on YouTube? Yes, I will. What's your current project? It's a GitHub profile searchy thingy. Now we need to also add icons. See, this has icons. I don't know what I'll add for followers and and like GitHub repos. Not sure. Let's make this max though. Max width. Okay. Something still not perfect. Probably the colors. And this nice. This is this color. Okay, good. Oh, much better. Much better. Much better. Without the box shadow, how does it look? Okay. I mean, decent enough. All right, let's make the search be better. Background color, this. Border radius, 10 pixels. Padding, 1 rem. Color, white. White, let's be consistent. Border, none. Font family, inherit. Font size, 1 rem. Margin bottom, 2 rem. Cool. And I mean, 2 pixel solid. White will not be good, but maybe this color. No. Oh, box shadow. And for the placeholder, I want the color of BBB. All right. And when you focus, I want outline. None. Pretty decent. How long have you programmed? 7 years going to 8. Okay. Now, I mean, let's see. Mihai, which is your GitHub repo? Let me find. I mean, who am I kidding? I need to scroll a lot. Mihai. Well, look at that. We have a Mihai. Mihai Andrei. And we have one too. Mihai Andrei. 97. All right. We don't have a. Can we use something else like the bio? Oh wait. And we also need to like justify those numbers. With icons. Let's try to use the hero icons now. Maybe this time would work. Follow. No. Error. What is the followers icon? I guess let's try and see this. So here, this will look weird though. But look at that, it works. So people, oh, you know what? No, I have a better idea. I got it. Strong. Because you can't really, or that, user icon. People icon, user icon. Or we can just say something like followers. Yeah, I'll do this. And I'll make it look a bit better. Following and repos. Okay, I'll make this 400 and user info ul. What's this? Li strong. Li strong. Don't do this. Font size 0.5 rem. No. 7. It would probably look margin right 0.5 rem. Let's add it at the end. So this, and this. Okay, and we can go up to 85. Oh, even like this, 90. How old I am? A lot, more than I would like. Okay, and yeah, let's show here the repos. How do we do that? How do we do it? How do we do that? That's a good question. Basically, we need to call this API again. Oh, I mean, yeah, let's do it this way. We can have a div here with an ID of repos, or even a UL, not a div, and a class of repos. All right, and here we can fetch repos by the user. User. This is user name. Create user card, and then let's get repos username like this. It hopefully should work. And the get repos will be again a sync function, get repos username, and it will be const response. Let's copy this. Add repos to cart response data, and here we want that plus / repos. Your smoke weed. Nope. Okay, and add repos to card. Repos. Here we can target that repos ID. Document that get element by ID. Repos. This one. Hopefully we have it. And then let's console.log the repos. Let's see what we have. Because I think we have more than the repos here. Array of 30. Oh, no. Oh, good. So we can add these. Good. So repos. For each repo, I want to create a repo element. Minus. Document that get element by ID. No, create element. I want to create an li repo element that inner tag. Wait. So the li, I want to make it clickable. Yeah, you know what? I'll make this a dev, not a UL, as I said. And I'll make this a span. Repo element that class list that add repo. And repo element that inner text. Nah, I need a link also. So yeah, let's make it an A tag. Perfect. And our the href will be something, and the repo element that inner text will be repo.name. And where is the URL? I think I can format it. Full name, HTML URL. Okay, good. Repo.html URL, and repo element that target will be blank. Okay, and repos elements that that's so weird name. Repo element. Basically, the repos are is the array of all the repos, like the information. The repo is the information, and everything with element is the DOM element part. Hopefully that makes sense. All right. So yeah, perfect. Some would say. We just need to make it pretty. So repos. Don't even need a class for this. And do I? I don't. Thank you for following. Okay, so the repo, I want it to be this blue color. So background color, this blue color. I want it to be this plain line block. I want the color to be white. I want to have some padding. And I want margin right to be 0.5 rem and margin bottom to be 0.5 rem. And text decoration none. If this will work as I planned, yeah, font size a bit smaller. Font size 0.7 rem. Good. Although too much. Too many projects. So let's, can we set a rate or something? And I want a border radius of 2 pixels. 5 pixels. Okay. So like small tags. That's what the... and here we could say something like h4 repos. Like that. And I don't think I need to do this anymore. Yeah, I don't. So no image container. We can remove it from here. Like that. Yeah, I see in the chat someone just mentioned that. Okay, and yeah, let's make some fewer projects. So where is the repos? Add repos to card. Repos that slice 0 I don't know, 9 projects. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah. Oh, but look at that, they are sorted by they're sorted alphabetically. Can we sort them differently? GitHub repo sort. GitHub API. Or yeah, that's what you said. Repositories. Sort, created, updated, pushed, full name, created, updated, pushed. Can we sort by the stars? I don't see something like that. Hey Omkar, doing good. How are you? Thank you for follow. Yeah, I'd like to sort them by the star. Let's see. To sort by star. Let's steal here. Sort AB. I mean, I can do that, but I don't have all of them. Can I get them all? If I get them all, I can sort by stars. I can do this A, B, A dot star. Wait. I need to see exactly what. Florine pop 17 repos. Stargazers count. Sorry. Minus B dot stargazer count. So this will sort B minus A. Okay, yeah, look at that. It sorts by the stars, and I like it. All these should be good. And I can slice now. Slice 0 to 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's make it 10. First 10 projects by stars. Awesome. Me, I don't know what to put here. You're fun. Okay. Good. So, is it the K? Let's search for Dan Abramov. No. Traversy Media? No. Brad Traversy? Yeah, look at that. Okay, the repos is kind of useless. It's an interesting project. Shouldn't be the best. It's not supposed to be the best things, but yeah, you can work on it. So I'm liking the purple. Thank you. Me too. And if you click, it should go to that project. And it does. Awesome. Good, good, good. Maybe in a future project. Oh, that repos text. Oh, sorry. I'm tired, sorry. Like this? I guess, yeah. Yeah, I thought you didn't like the fact that we added the repos. Okay, good. Let's call it. Whoa, it took a lot of time. So this is the 7th project. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, and we have 3 more. Woo, 3 more. I'm going to take a break again. I'm going to run that song again. The break song. Copyright free music. This one. Just please don't bust me. I mean, you can barely hear it, so yeah. I can just crop out these parts if it's a problem. All right, give me a few minutes. I go out, take a breathe. I don't know. Speak on music. Let's see. Stream Radio X. There was something by that Harry guy. Stream Beats. Yeah, this one. Just I don't know. Yeah, this should be good. Only 2? Oh, okay. Yeah, I don't know. This one. All right, be right back. All right, I'm back. Hello, back. Someone is tired. Okay. 3 more to go. Oh, let's update. I'll update. Thank you for all of you who joining. How much time we have left? 3 hours and 30 minutes. You are team Bootstrap or Material? Team Tailwind. Although Bootstrap over Material. Although, nah, I know Bootstrap better. I like how Material looks, but I prefer Tailwind. Weird, huh? 3 hours and 30. Yeah, that sounds... I've been live for 8 hours. Crazy. Crazy. If it wouldn't be my back, be weirdo, would be better. All right. Let's see what's remaining. The drawing app, the password generator, and the weather app. Can we do them in 3 hours and a half? Hopefully. Okay. I think I haven't coded for so long. Bring a cushion to support. Yeah, I just need to like lay like this. 1 second, I'm talking with my... Wait. Okay. So all of these three, the drawing app is the interesting one because I haven't played with the canvas for a while. I'm just here to give you some power for the last 2 hours. Greetings from Switzerland. Hey, buddy. Thank you, Bernie. Well, actually, it's 3 hours and a half. I've been streaming for 8 hours, but I started when I was 1 hour and 30 minutes in. So yeah, basically I still have 3 hours and a half. Basically. Hopefully I can finish faster. Okay. yeah, if you type Florine 5 heart in the chat, those who are live, you can drop hearts. Or the simple heart icon works too. All right. Okay, so for the drawing app, I might need to do more research than I want to, because, well, I was thinking to use P5GS, but then someone pointed out that that's a library, and I want to avoid using libraries as much as I can. I only use the marked library and Font Awesome so far, which I guess it's good. Can you still hear me well? Hopefully you do. Let's copy and paste this. Drawing app. All right. Open this, this, and this. Now for the drawing app, we won't need CSS. Why avoid libraries? Yes, because I wanted to do vanilla JavaScript, CSS, and HTML only, you know? This is why I'm avoiding libraries. Maybe the next challenge I'll do something like React or Socket.io and stuff like that to make even more fun stuff. Okay, so for the canvas project here, the drawing project, I might need some help. I mean, not I might, I will need. Canvas. I want this to be width 100 viewport widths and height 100 viewport height. Okay. Yeah, I love TypeScript. Woohoo! Who doesn't? Okay. So let's see. For the canvas, I know that you need to target a canvas and then you need a context and all that. So I did a project JavaScript 20, JS20. This one I need a repo. So JS20 Brad Traversy GitHub. Vanilla web projects. Okay. This one. And it was the breakout game script. Okay, let's see. So canvas and context. All right. I'll copy this. Thank you. Thank you for following. My new tab page, which extension is that? Is daily dev. Daily.dev extension. Yes, they're not sponsoring, but they could. All right. Oh boy. Okay, and I need to see how I draw shapes like circle. Canvas, JavaScript, script, draw circle. Competitive noob, hello. Arc. All right, so begin path, arc, stroke, and I guess with fill you can fill it. So let's try. I'm thinking because I need to draw a circle and like when the mouse moves and it's clicked. Should have left this project for the last. If I do this, then this should be good. So whenever we click, is it like canvas that add event listener? Mouse down, and whenever this is like we need to draw a circle, so function draw circle, You 10 projects, 10 hours. Me, 1 bug, 4 days. I mean, these projects are not that complicated, except this one. I mean, complicated because I don't know what, I forgot good part of it, but we'll figure it out. Okay, so draw a circle, and I want X and Y, and the size, we'll see the size, and I do context begin pat, context that arc, X, Y size, and then we start. Okay, so arc basically creates an arc, and we need a let's see, this explains better probably. Yeah, so the center of the circle, the starting angle and angle, and this is the size. Okay, so X, Y, size, and 0 to pi. Meta, do we have 2 pi? Meta pi times 2. Right, I think right. Or pi, p squared. Oh no, okay, meta pi. Good, and the size, we're going to have a let size, which will be initially, I don't know, 30, and we will be able to use this to change this for the brush size. Hey mate, what's up? Hey, what's up? Ceiling. I guess on hold, you save the position and release, you get the vector and draw circle radius based on the first position. Not exactly. Not exactly what I have in mind. Let me do this drawing app. So basically what I want is when I click, I draw a circle, and when we drag, we draw a circle always on that path when it's like dragged. Oh, wait, and we need to stroke. All right. Hopefully this won't take more than 2 hours to do. Okay, let's see. Draw a circle on 200, 200. Anyone sees a circle? I don't. Yeah, also this is a bit hard to debug. Ouch. Draw a circle 200, 200, XY. Okay, stroke. We should see this. Get context, canvas, get oh, whoa, wait. Haha, I think I found. Haha, no. So canvas, width and height, border. I guess we can do something like that. Let's make it like a square, 500 by 500. And the border 1 pixel solid black. Florian Zanova died today. 8 hours streaming and counting. I see you in a circle. Oh yeah. Hey Liam. Welcome. Okay. So there's a canvas, but I don't see the circle. Let's do some things in the meantime. F5, F5, display flex, I mean height 100 bright. So now it's in center. Good. And wait, we also need, oh man, we need a function which keeps drawing. The context is missing. I guess let's 50 by 50. Whoa. So something happened. Hey Eddie, help us draw a circle. So wait, the center. And what's 50? XY radius. Okay, so radius. What if we do size 30? Sorry. 20 here. Okay, so that works. But why it's not a circle? 51. One, two, three, four, 5 parameters. The X and Y, the circle, center circle, center of the circle, radius, starting and angle. Use stroke or fill method to actually draw this. Okay, let's use fill. It's an oval. Why? Okay, so this moves it. Met pi times 2. I don't know. 2 times met 5, 0. Begin path, arc, stroke. Well, if we change this to 100, it should move, right? Right. If we change this to 30, it will shrink. Border received is definitely more fun than this. Yeah, this is why I liked P5.js. Should I just pick another project? I'm so close. I don't know. Should it be that you need to set the width and height of the canvas? Let's see. Yep, that's it. That's the problem. So that's weird. Okay, don't ask me. Don't ask me. All right, good. Thank you. So yeah, that's basically what we need. Inline. But now we have a circle. All right. Let's have a function draw, which will be called every frame. Request animation frame draw. And draw, and this will like draw the circle always, something like that. And we also need a rectangular to clean the box. So yeah, you know what, let me go back to web Brad Traversy GitHub, that project I did back then. Let's see how I did the cleanup. Breakout game, script. So let's see. There is a draw function, right? Yeah, draw. Okay. Okay, clear rect. All right. Good. let's do that. ctx.clearRect 0 0 canvas.width canvas.height. All right, and here we're going to draw everything. And the update, yeah, I guess draw. Okay, good. And we draw, and then we draw the circle. So now it shouldn't get pixelated anymore. See, good. And we can move it. So yeah, this is just something fast I'm going to show you. Let x equal 50, let y equal 50, and we're going this x, y, and I'm going to do x plus plus, and now the ball will move to the right. Are you ready? Yay! This is animation in Canvas. All right, good. So what I want is when I click to draw a circle, and the circle should stay there. Yeah, so I don't need to clear the rect here. And maybe I don't need this draw function either. Bummer. Let's comment it out. So whenever I did this, I want to get the, let's see, console.log e. I want to get the position of the mouse in the canvas, mouse event. Screen X, screen I now, to element canvas, X and Y. Let's see. Is it above? X and Y, still not good. Offset X, offset Y. Okay, good. So let const X will be e dot offset X. I think this is y is e dot offset Y, and I'm going to draw a circle at X and Y. Let's see. Ding 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 ding. Yay! Good. Drawing app finished. Bye bye. Mouse dragged or mouse something. How do we do this? We need to canvas drag draw. Let's see. Mouse down. Prevent default, stop propagation. Oh boy. Mouse move. Oh, okay. Mouse move. Mouse move. All right, this works. How can I now need to figure out? This will be a lazy drawing app. I need to figure out if the mouse is pressed. So canvas.add event listener, mouse down. I'm going to is pressed equals true, and mouse up. Mouse is pressed is false, and only if is pressed I want to draw. I'm getting closer. All right, and here I want is pressed to be false. Look at that, awesome. Good, let me make it bigger. 800 by 800. Like that, and now we can draw. Okay, what they want now is to we need to unite the circles. Or do we? Let's draw a smiley face. Yay, look at that circle. Face, smile. Yeah, done. Already better than paint, right? Okay, let's do some things we're good at. So we're going to have a toolbox, and here we're going to have a button with a minus and button with a plus, and this will be on click will be increase. What I'm doing? Let's do the way. Increase. Increase. Good. Increase, and this will be decrease. Good. So script. To increase, decrease. Okay, increase btn, decrease btn. All right, and we need this. Add event listener, click. And add event listener, click. Okay, and when we increase, we want size plus equals 5. If size greater than, I don't know, 50, size equals 50. Just a reset. And decrease, we want size minus equals 5. If size less than 5, size 5. Dennis, my buddy, thank you very much for 1,000 bits. That's crazy. Thank you very much, buddy. All right, and now if we click this, look at. I messed up the buttons. Okay, I need to change. This will be decrease. This will be increase. Dennis is here. All right, the toolbox, I want this to be flex direction column, and the toolbox, let's, you know what, let's make this E5. Can we have, no, I guess we can't have a border. Yeah. Okay, and the toolbox, I want it to be width 800 pixels, background color purple, because people like purple. Let's make it Rebecca purple. All right, I want some padding. Okay, and the toolbox button, I want padding 0.5 rem, background color, I guess this works, font size 2 rem, make it big. So ugly. Background color white, border, border none, width 50 pixels. Something's wrong. So long. Sorry. Yeah, that was a small one. 25. This is our toolbox. But it works, look at that. Increased. Let's tell the size. By default is 30. 30, okay. And I want this. Size element, and I want a function update size. Update size on screen. Okay, update size on screen. I just want to show how much it's changed. You're crazy. Okay. I want the size element, that inner text, to be size. Like that. And now, yeah, look at that, it's changed. You just, you know what? Let's do something crazy. Everything inside the toolbox should be this. All should be squared. Height, 50 pixels. Get it. Border none doesn't seem to work. Something's wrong with those buttons. What's that? Oh, the span. Okay, I'll make it display inline block. Display inline flex. Okay, so okay. All right, this is our drawing app, drawing circles app. If you go really slow, you get the path. Oh, and we need to change the color. 3 hours left I have to finish the 3 projects remaining, so not 1 hour left. Mihai said, I went to work, finished work, and now I'm home. And he is still online. So, those of you watching live, keep in mind that I started the live stream 1 hour and a half before I started the 10-hour challenge. So yeah, we need a color picker. So here, let's add an input. My keyboard seems to lag. Can you fix the border, please? Why? What's wrong with the border? Look, I fix it, look. Okay, is it fixed? So you're just hitting 7 hours mark on challenges. Yes, slightly misaligned. I mean, I need to add a border to this. No? If I don't add a border, then you don't know where you need to draw, you know? That's why I need a border. But I agree, what's wrong with the border? Let's make this 4. Okay, yeah. Are you happy now? Hey mate, how's it going? Going good. 80 people watching. Whoa. Say hi. Hack fix. Alright, fixed it. Good. Now, we need to add color and we need to join the circles. Hey, I think I know. I think. I think color. ID color. Look at that. We have something fancy. We can pick the color now. Although it's way off. Don't ask me why. Yeah, don't ask me why. Someone is laughing too much. I'll let color to be black. Like that. and I want this to be color. Here, column element add event listener on change. I want the color to be I guess I can do e the target that value. All right, I need to use this color. So how I do that? Fill ctx that fill color canvas color fill style. Okay. Fill style. The color. Let's see. Does it work? Is it black? Is it? Yay! Funny. So what all did you make? Did you do it all on your JavaScript? Yes. All right, now let's figure out when I go from this to this. Do you see that thing? We need to connect the dots. I missed the color picker part. Dennis, you broke my overlay. Thank you very, very much for your $50 donation. You're crazy. Thank you. Thank you very much, buddy. You broke my alert. Not sure why. But yeah, thank you, buddy. I highly appreciate it. Yeah, 8 hours of coding. Now, this doesn't look right. Let me fix the toolbox by display flex. Oops. Let's have some margin between them. Margin 0.25 rem. I mean, this doesn't look the best, but it's a toolbox. So people can't change this. You can just click to change this, but it works. Okay. Oh, and we need a clear also. Remind me of that. But the cool part is, look at that. We can make it purple now. Okay. We need to unite the lines to make it smooth, and we need to clear with a button. Life is too short for a clear button. Refresh the page. You're full of trolls. A lot of trolls in the chat. Okay. Now, I know. You can choose the white color clean yourself. See, I told you, full of trolls. I know how to do the line. I know, and you don't. Ha! What happened? Oh, look at that. I got some more money, but it's not related to the stream. Okay, so I need to draw a line between x and x1, y1, x2 and y2. I guess between path. I don't know. And I need to do a line. Let's see. Arc. Line. Canvas line. Line 2. Okay, line 2. Oh, so begin path, move to line 2 stroke. Okay, good. I'm so excited. I'm very close. So ctx that move to x1 y1, right? And ctx that line to x2, y2. And now we can store these x and y's as x. 0. Undefined. Let y undefined. And whenever we click here, when it's mouse down, I want x to be e.offset x, y to be e.offset y, and here I want x to be undefined, y to be undefined. So basically when we're clicking, we're creating a path for the line, but only when we're pressing here, we're going to create x2 and y2, and instead of draw a circle, we're going to draw a line. And finger crossed, hopefully this will work. If not, I tried. I guess they can draw a line in a circle too. Okay, x, y, x2, y2. Like that. Okay. Works. It works. Don't ask me how. Just trust me. It doesn't work. Why? Begin path. Move to X. Let's draw a line randomly. 100, 100, 200, 200. Can we see something? No. Bad. You're trolls. My chat is full of trolls. Now, why doesn't it work? X1, Y2, line to move to. After draw line, do X. True. X2. Thank you. So X needs to become X2 and Y needs to become Y2. But don't help me. Still, the draw line doesn't help. It doesn't work yet. Stroke instead of fill. Okay, no one helped me. That's wrong. So if you say someone helped, it's wrong. Don't say that. It's, you know, I did it on my own. I don't have a chat in the right and the other monitor, so, you know, stroke width. I did it all on my own. What's the stroke width though? Stroke style. I want to make the stroke better, thicker. You can confirm there's no chat. Stroke weight, stroke something. How can I vary my line thickness? Line width. Okay, line width. Let's see. So we have the color. CTI is that line width will be size. Whoa, this is dope. Looks like a train tracks. Yeah, exactly. This is exactly how I want it. This is exactly how I thought in my mind that it will be. Not circles. This is a special brush 2020. It will be trending in 2021. You'll see a lot of pictures, and I'm just setting the, you know, the trend. So yeah, you'd have no reason to think that I'm not, you know, no. All right. Yay. 1 second. No one came. My grandmother came, asked me if I want to eat something because I haven't eaten for 10 hours. All right. So we don't want this line. Let's see. This looks nice. We can get the brush tool thingy out. And yeah, look at that. Yeah. Surprised she's not dragging you away from the computer by your ear. That's why I closed the webcam. I was fearing that. I thought that she'll punch me. Okay, friends. This is it. It's not yet smooth, but it's good. Now change the mouse to heat and all good. Purple heart. Oh, we need to clear. So clear. We need a button. Clear. And we need something to show that that's, you know, that's a special icon. Toolbox, last of type. I want, wait, last child, margin, left auto. All right, good. So that thing there, clear. That will clear. Funny. It's just me probably. Where is the buttons things here? Okay, so we don't need the draw function, which is good. We just need to add that. Add event listener. Click. And basically we want to clear. So ctx.clear rect 00 canvas.width canvas.height. All right, let's see. We draw and then we clear. Yay. Okay. Yeah. So that button is the magic. All right, good. Let's draw a purple heart. And we have an arrow going through the heart. Florine will be drawing heads. All right, good. Project 8 complete. We have 2 hours and 45 minutes left. Yeah, probably still managed to get to the meeting. Have nothing yet. All right, done. You can draw it. We can make big things. Although, oh, see, kind of seems that it needs to be bigger. The line. Okay, I can do. I have an idea. Line height size times 2. Whoa. Now this is smoother than butter. Crazy. Awesome. Good. It works. Next. Thank you. Next. Let's update people. 8 tabs down, 2 remaining, 2 hours and 40 minutes. So this was not that bad. Okay. Good. Goody goody. Cheers, everyone. I'm very close to finish this. I think I need to like waste 2 hours. I don't know. I became your friend, man. Thank you. Hats off to you. Sign up on Twitch just to say this. Thank you very much. I highly appreciate it. It melts my heart, my purple heart. What's today's drink of choice? Purple water. I don't know. Okay. Hey Ben, thank you. What is this about? Tell him. Okay. What are the last 2 apps? One is password generator and the weather app. Now for the password generator, I kind of did this before, but I want, sorry. We need to find like a, I don't know, copy it. Yeah, we could copy it. I want to do it from scratch though, because it's not that bad, and I might find a better way to do it this time. Maybe. I'm still thinking how I did it last time, because how you need to do it, it's, you see here, you have checked the include lowercase, uppercase, numbers, and symbols. And what happens if you don't have any? If you have symbols, look at that, you only get symbols. If you have letters, you get symbols and letters. If you have numbers, it's symbols and letters and numbers and all that. When you submit the button, you need to send a message to Liam and he will give you a random password. Yeah. Now think about how cool will be an app which will come to this page, fill in the data, and get the password and go back, you know? Hey Liam, don't say my password. All right, let's do this. We can. The weather app will be the last one, and we're done. How do you feel about the project so far? Password generator. I mean, there wasn't like the hardest thing, but yeah, I mean, hopefully you enjoyed them. Password generator. Okay. So I want a container here. Password container. Oh, let's see. Okay. Yeah, I'm thinking. I kind of did the project, but I kind of did all previous projects, some of the previous projects too sometimes. So I guess it should be fine. Okay, so the first thing we need is like a field where we're going to put the password. So password like that. This field will have a button which will copy to clipboard. I think last time when I did it, I used... So basically, when you want to copy to clipboard, you need to create a text area, I think a text area. You need to put the contents inside the text area. You need to copy from the text area and then remove the text area. And then put it wherever you want. I mean, copy to clipboard. Copy, well, to clipboard. Never mind. Okay. Under this, let's make this the PV header. And under this, I'm going to have like PV body. Oops. Like that. And form control times 4 greater than label plus input. Although let's do it just once because I'll need to change something and then I'll copy paste. This needs to be type check box. And this will be, the first one will be upper, like that. Okay. Upper, lower, oops, this one. Lower, number, and symbol. Thank you everyone for following. Okay, now this say contain uppercase letters, contain lowercase letters, contain numbers, and contain symbols. Contain sounds weird. Okay, good. And here, let's have a button. Copy to clipboard. Where's the contain emojis option? Ooh, fancy. Okay, yeah, I'll just change a bit the layout. I have some idea to other layout, but yeah. Okie dokie. Oh, we also need, well, we need a form control password length. And this will be a type number, minimum to be 4 and maximum to be 4D. And this will be not upper, but length. Len, let's keep it like that. All right. Look at that, pretty fancy. Good. Now let's make it pretty before we make it useful. So background color, Rebecca purple. This is already pretty. You can't deny. Color white. Okay. We want the PV container to be width 400 pixels and background color Rebecca purple, but another darker kind of purple. Like that, maybe. Good. Best UI ever. I'm glad you like it. I still need to feel like this needs to be darker. Ooh, dark. Okay. Display flex, align to center, justify count to center, just to make it in the center, mean height, 100 port heights, and boom. Now let's see. We're going to have a header, PV header. Do we have PV butter? Butter. PV body, yeah. Okay. PV header, PV body. Okay, and this will be the same color, background color like this, and it will be padding 1 rem. And this just padding 1 rem. Oops. No, 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 no. I had something else in mind. Yeah, just padding 1 rem to this 2. And then the PV will be width 100%. Height 50 pixels. Okay. And this will be background color Rebecca purple. All right, and the copy to clipboard feels a bit off. Let's see what happens when you have text here, because here we're going to have the text. This is my very complicated password. Don't copy it, please. All right, perfect. So I want this to be display flex and everything in the not in the center that way, like that. Okay, and I want this to be position relative, because the PV button inside will be position absolute. Top bottom 0, left 50%, transform, translate y minus 50%, x minus 50%. So down there in the center. Okay. I want it to have a font size of 2 rem. Okay. Padding 1 rem. Okay, and then I want the weight to be 400. All right, and the copy to clipboard. Bottom minus 50%, is too much. No, bottom 0 and translate. Let's translate it 50% down. So it will be exactly on that row there. And I want it to be background color, another variation of Rebecca purple. I don't know, something like this. Padding 0 to 25 rem, 0.5 rem. Color white. Border none. Ouch, so ugly. Need to stand out, so darker purple or a yellow. Purple yellow combination. That yellow. How do I get it? FFD 524. FFD 524. It hurts a bit, but a yellow purple. No. Hurts, right? I don't like it either. Yeah. Let's do this. And make this a bit darker. Like that. Where's the designer when you need it? You can't find a designer these days. Ah. Well. One font family inherit. Maybe right 0. I don't like it. White background, purple text. Okay, if you say so. It's too big, so let's make it smaller. It doesn't look like a button. Oh boy. You know what? I can do 100%. No. I can do top minus 100%. I just go with an icon of the clipboard. I wanted this to be different than the one I originally had. But apparently I can't do it. Oh, maybe just say copy. And it will show only when you hover over. Gotcha. And this will be a bit darker too. Alright, so only when you hover over you can get a copy. Good. So this will be opacity 0 and PV hover button opacity 1, and we want transition opacity 0.2 seconds is. All right, look at this. Copy. Haha, fancy. Okay, good. Or I guess it can. Look at this, look at this, look at this, look at this. I'll show you something. I'll show you something. Hold on. Don't go. Don't go. A little bit of magic there. Okay, good. That's done. You can like do this, or you can